Kia! To a more successful career, an inner sense of self-confidence in any situation, and the ability to improve focus in both children and adults. See, that is the pillars that martial arts is based and that it's founded. So my name is Brandon McAllister. I'm a third-degree black belt in martial arts. I've been competing in the sport for the last 21 years. As a child, I had a severe confidence problem. I was bullied, and I was diagnosed with attention deficit disorder. But it was through the skills and the hard work that I put in martial arts that I was able to overcome those fears and overcome that diagnosis to become a very successful member of society. See, what I'd like to discuss here today is simple. I'd like to discuss the benefits that you learn, the confidence benefits, as well as the self-defense that you learn, as well as the effects that it has on children with ADHD. So if you think that martial arts is just for professional fighters or some random dudes that like to get up and scream in the middle of a college presentation, then you're gravely mistaken. See, confidence is built. Confidence is needed with people at all ages, both children and adults alike. And what martial arts does is it teaches you discipline, respect, as well as it pushes the mind and the body further than what you thought it capable of, and it shows you what you truly are capable of doing. And a good martial arts instructor goes a long way. They actually bestow confidence upon their students. And the way that they do this is through consistent testing. The testing by board breaking, the repetitive strikes and blocks and kicks that you do in a class setting. And what that does is as you incrementally improve your skill set, your confidence also incrementally improves as well. So now confidence isn't just for inside the dojo, it's also helpful outside the dojo as well. We all know that criminals and bullies alike, they target the weak. The criminal will target the wife, the elderly. The bullies will target the weak one in a crowd of people. What we also know is that good self-confident posture, body language, as well as the ability to find your voice are some of the best tools to ward off threats. And those are just the things that martial arts can do for you. In addition, sometimes the situation escalates. And whenever the situation does escalate, the skills that you learn at martial arts, by repetitive motions, those blocks, those strikes, and the actual weekly hand-to-hand combat that you undergo become instinct. And whenever they become instinct in a fight or flight moment, that instinct kicks in and it gives you a much better chance of actually coming on top of them. Now, the benefits of martial arts don't just strengthen you mentally or physically, but they also strengthen you mentally as well. See, in a study by Healthline.com, kids from the ages of 4 to 17 were 7.8% were diagnosed with ADHD in the year 2003. However, in 2011, that number rose to 11%, and it's still on the rise today. And how karate contributes is just the nature of the class. It's fast-paced, mental and physical engagement of the student, moving from exercise to exercise. And the short, fast commands that snap back into focus the attention of that student teaches the student how to focus on command. And it's that learning how to focus on command that actually goes a long way to improving the symptoms of ADHD. In addition, what martial arts does is we all know that today we're stuck at the hip with our electronics, our phones, our tablets. However, when we walk into a dojo, we're left with nothing but these, just our fists and our feet. And so just by the nature of the class, you're removing a lot of the distractions that keep you from being able to focus. And the ability to focus goes a long way to, again, relieving some of those symptoms of ADHD and gives the instructor the ability to give you very clear, concise goals. And because you don't have the distractions in your hands, again, you have half the battle of defeating some of the symptoms of ADHD. So wrapping this up, now we kind of know some of the benefits that martial arts has on your self-confidence and how it can help deter threats, as well as some of the benefits that it could offer with students that have ADHD. So, a more successful career, an inner sense of self-confidence in any situation, as well as the ability to improve the focus in both children and adults alike. Those are the pillars that martial arts are based. However, martial arts is not a cure-all drug. It won't always win the fight. It's not a 100% sure way to prevent any bullying. However, I can speak for me personally, and it's the skills that I learned, the discipline I learned throughout the sport of martial arts that has helped make me the man that I am today. But if you think that you've got it all together, if you don't think that yourself, your kids, or maybe even your grandkids could use that extra boost in self-confidence and the discipline that martial arts offers, maybe the sport's not for you. But I'd venture to say that most of us could use that extra sense of confidence, that boost in confidence and that discipline that it could add. And for that, I would like to say, we'd love to see you. I'd love to see the impact that martial arts can have on you as a person. Thank you.